Welcome back to another episode of Espn Math. Today on the docket, solving simple equations. Alright, well I don't know about you guys, but this has been quite the show for our simple equations. We have variables, we have numbers, we're adding, we're subtracting. It is crazy out there. Alright, first thing we can see on the court is we've got an x adding to 12 and it equals 7. I don't know about you, Chuck, but this looks like quite the problem. Yeah, Larry, I totally understand it. And I'm wondering how we're going to get x by itself. Well, you know what, Chuck? I was thinking, to get x by itself, you got to do the opposite of what's happening to it, right? Yeah, that's totally right, Larry. All right, so what is happening next? Well, I can see that it's being added to 12, so I think what we're going to do is the opposite of that. That is absolutely right. So the opposite of adding to 12 is to subtract 12. Alright, now Larry, remember the big rule right here? Yeah, man, it's definitely you got to do it to the other half of the equation. Yep, that's absolutely right. Now, oh my gosh, look at that. We are doing it to the other half of the equation. Oh my gosh, now guys, when I have a positive 12 and a negative 12, they cancel each other out. Oh my goodness, and now the only thing that's left on that other side of the x, Larry, is the x. I hear ya, Chuck, I hear ya. It's all by itself. That equal sign splits them. Now we bring down that equal sign. Okay, now I see that 7 is being taken away 12. Now I don't know about you guys, but if I had 7 Skittles and you ate 12 of them, I know I'd be in the negatives, right? That is absolutely right, Chuck. Alright, first thing we gotta do is we gotta take 12 minus 7. We're doing it backwards, guys. Okay, 12 minus 7 is 5. Now, how do I know if it's going to be positive or negative? Well, guys, that 12 is negative, which means that's the bigger number. We keep its sign, so our answer will be negative. Wow, Larry, that was quite the problem. Yes, I know, Chuck. We got x all by itself. Now, Larry, here's what we got to do. We got to put that x back in to make sure it works out. So, go ahead, take that negative 5, pop it back in for that x. Oh my gosh, look at this play, you guys. Negative 5 plus 12. Let's see if it equals 7. Signs are different, Chuck. What do we got to do? Well, Larry, when signs are different, we have to subtract. 12 take away 5. That is 7, Larry. That is right, Chuck. All right, we got a 7. Now, how do I know it's positive 7, Larry? I mean, Chuck, whoever you are. Oh, well, I see that the bigger number is 12, and the bigger number is positive, so I know my answer is going to be positive. That is absolutely right, Larry. Tune in next week for subtraction.